Did you know that the POCO X8 Pro packs a whopping 108MP camera? That's more than some flagship phones out there. The POCO X8 Pro has been making waves in the smartphone market, and for good reason. This device promises to deliver high-end features at an affordable price. Its sleek design and impressive specs have many people wondering if it's the right choice for their next smartphone. With its competitive pricing, the POCO X8 Pro aims to disrupt the budget smartphone segment. POCO, as a manufacturer, has been around for a while, but it's really made a name for itself with its budget-friendly devices that don't compromise on performance. The POCO X8 Pro is no exception, with its powerful processor and high-quality display. POCO's history in the smartphone industry is marked by its ability to offer high-quality devices at affordable prices. The X8 Pro's development is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. POCO's reputation for delivering value for money has generated significant buzz around the X8 Pro. The company's focus on providing high-end features at affordable prices has made it a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers. The POCO X8 Pro boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for gaming and video playback. Its camera system features a 108MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro lens, which should deliver some amazing shots. The phone is powered by a large 5000 mAh battery, which supports fast charging. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The POCO X8 Pro also features a high-resolution 20MP front camera, making it ideal for selfies and video calls. In terms of software, the phone runs on MIUI 14, which offers a clean and intuitive interface. The device also supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Additionally, the POCO X8 Pro has a durable design, with a metal frame and IP53 certification for dust and water resistance. The phone's fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button, providing quick and secure biometric authentication. The POCO X8 Pro's audio capabilities are also noteworthy, with dual speakers and support for high-res audio. The device's battery life is expected to be impressive, with a large 5000 mAh battery and power-saving features. When it comes to performance, the POCO X8 Pro does not disappoint. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor provides lightning-fast speeds and efficient battery life. The phone's usability is also top-notch, with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate. However, some users might find the MIUI 14 skin a bit too heavy-handed, with some pre-installed apps that can't be uninstalled. In terms of value for money, the POCO X8 Pro is hard to beat, offering high-end features at a fraction of the cost of flagship devices. The phone's camera system is also a major selling point, with a 108MP primary sensor that delivers exceptional image quality. On the downside, the POCO X8 Pro's battery life could be better, with some users reporting that it doesn't quite last a full day. Additionally, the phone's build quality, while solid, could benefit from a more premium feel. The POCO X8 Pro's software updates are also a concern, as the company has been slow to release updates in the past. Despite these drawbacks, the POCO X8 Pro remains a compelling option for budget-conscious buyers. In comparison to other budget smartphones, the POCO X8 Pro stacks up well. Its closest competitor, the Redmi Note 12 Pro, offers similar specs, but with a slightly smaller display and lower resolution camera. Another contender, the Realme GT2, boasts a faster charging system, but with a less impressive camera and lower capacity battery. The POCO X8 Pro's competitive pricing and impressive specs make it a strong contender in the budget smartphone segment. The phone's unique features, such as its 120Hz display and 108MP camera, set it apart from its competitors. I've had the chance to use the POCO X8 Pro for a while now, and I have to say, it's been a great experience. The phone's performance has been smooth, with no major hiccups or issues. The camera has delivered some amazing shots, and the battery life has been more than sufficient. One thing that did strike me was the phone's ability to handle demanding games, with no noticeable lag or stuttering. The POCO X8 Pro's display is also noteworthy, with vibrant colors and a high refresh rate. In my final thoughts, the POCO X8 Pro is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a budget smartphone. Its impressive specs, smooth performance, and affordable price make it a compelling option. I give it a solid 4 out of 5 stars, and I think it's perfect for anyone who wants a high-quality device without breaking the bank. The POCO X8 Pro is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable and powerful smartphone. If you're interested in more smartphone reviews or want to share your thoughts on the POCO X8 Pro, be sure to check out my next video, where I review the latest flagship from Samsung. You can also join the conversation in the comments below, and I'll do my best to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.